get out of the way because this doesn't feel very steady. It's alright, settle itself now. Right, is your axle stand right out of the way, guys? Is your axle stand right out of the way?
Yeah.
Bang!
Go away.
Right, we all alright? Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Look, it's less red.
What am I going to do with that?
Put it under.
Ah! Almost where it's meant to live anyway.
Is it a light?
Ready? Anything could happen, remember?
Remember the seat's loose?
Yeah.
I saw that.
Anything could happen, bro. Don't worry if there's a bang, it's not the end of the world. Steady your car. I think that's a result, isn't it?
Yep.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Right, let's go back in, see me back in front. Don't come inside, just watch me.